Good morning, Archie. All right, here is your YF sitting on my F-head motor. Testing and adjustment have gone well. Down inside, you can see it's nice and dry. Okay, let's go ahead and fire it up. Alrighty. Try one more time here. Got a good squirt. Let's go ahead and look at some numbers. Idle RPM 680, looking good. Vacuum is at 19. Fuel pressure about 3 3/4. Well, it is at 41. Okay, we're looking real good there. Let's go ahead and pull it through a couple times for you. How about that? No stumble. Yes, sir. So everything is set correctly in this thing, and if your motor is in good shape as mine, it should work out very well for you. Thank you, sir.